So we've walked all the way down the seafront, past all the interesting things to look at. Sadly, it's dog central and there's kids and people
and cars. And
so
we'll film a bit later when it's a bit calmer.
So like we're going to do the country part of the walk now, which I don't know if you're going to see. Heads off over yonder. So we're about halfway round now. We just need to continue on round the sea wall. So we'll get to look at Cobb Island, which is ahead of us that way. And then we come round and come back in across those fields. So join us. Mary's having trouble with her hair. The wind.
Anything.
So we're coming up to the final bend, which is just up here. This over here is Cobb Island. So we're headed along here and then back across, back over to Aldeburgh.
the cows. Pulley Watts. Looks gonna be fun with the cows and Pulley Watts it. I'll go first, shall I? Try and scare the cows off.
Yeah, I guess so.
Hey bear.
Come on, girls, out of the way.
Watch out for the poos.
Yeah, that's like the least of my concerns, to be honest.
I know. Well, we can always skirt around the outside.
Yeah, we will. No.
Cows are...
Stupid and curious.
Yeah,
Go away.
if you do this, they go away, so... We haven't got any food. Ah! They're following us. Go, go, go.
Come on, girls.
Ah!
Come on. Come on. Come on. Go, go, go. Go, go, go.
Ah! Ah. They're interested in the dog. Hilarious.
Come on.
Got a friend. Hello. Go fast. Go faster. La, la, la. Oh, look at these guys. They're still following us. You wanted to come with us, didn't you? Little moose. That'll be that one there, won't it? Oh look, through another field of cows. Making friends today. Ooh. Surprise mud. Oh crap. Oh, fun times. At least there's rocks, I suppose. Is he drinking the water out of it? Yeah. Uh-oh. At least this is a slightly bigger field. Slightly concerning. Ah! I'm pretty sure these cows are evil. That one's a bull. La 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 la. That one's a bull as well. These are all bulls. Oh shit. Oh crap. Not sure how I feel about cows now. Those cows had horns on though.
Yeah. So it's like a breed.
They weren't bulls then.
No.
Oh.
They have a whopping great
Pair of cojones.
hanging down.
Oh.
I'll let go of it.
Can confirm no cows are following us. It's now walking towards some allotments and we're going to walk through these allotments.
So we go through the allotment, straight on past the bowls and tennis clubs and right at the road before turning left onto Park Lane. So we're here.
Okay. So we're just going to go straight.
Through here to the road.
So we're just going to go straight.
I guess so.
Okay, cool.
I guess so. Come here, dog.
taking a picture of someone's allotment.
The ramshackle little lot shed, yeah.
Seen better days. Apparently you have to look out for the grapevines. I don't see any grapevines, but I do see giant sunflowers with a bee on it.
Okay, so we've finished our walk now. We're back at the Clam at Aldeburgh. We're going to get in the car and head home.
Oh, we're going to have tea first.
Oh, we're going to have a cup of tea first. Sorry, my mistake.
At the giant thermos.
So thank you for joining us for the walk, and stay tuned for some comparison clips with our new microphone as a gear review, if you will. Right, cheers guys, thank you for watching.
Bye.
Like, share and subscribe. You know the drill. We're in Aldeburgh for a 7k walk,
Right,
and we're testing out our new Rode mic.
Yes. We'll do.
Join us.
See you later.
Hi. It's windy. Hope you can hear me. So we're about halfway round now. We just need to continue on around the sea wall. So we'll get to look at Cobb Island, which is ahead of us that way. And then we come round and come back in. Hi, so we're about halfway around now. We're going to head that way down the path, down the sea wall to about Cobb Island. So we'll show you that. And then we head back in across the farmers' fields.